I want the video to go viral. Today's date is, I think, Monday the 11th. It has come to my attention. I've been following up on the lady who was beaten up by the hoodlums, by cultists in Edo State. And I've been praying and I'm asking God, I'm like, God, how can I really get involved in this case and impact this lady's life? Cultism in Edo State has caused a lot of pains and a lot of Ivabola would be a Benwaderu Steve. We're talking about something serious here. You are mentioning head. A lot of families have gone through pains, and
the way person they get help for life, my darling people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. This today video now about that girl wey Cultists beat. Una wan hear the latest. One man wey they call Bush Lion, wey they stay America, na live video presenter for Facebook. He don fall out now, say abeg, say that girl wey Cultists beat, say he wan help the girl come America. He go spend 2 million take carry the girl come America. Now say na so person life take dey change. This one a destiny changer. Oh, hey, my darling people. Oh, as I see the video, I say no, I beg. He saying they look for the girl contact. Anybody wey know where the girl dey, I beg. Say Mona send the girl contact, everything to Ram. Say he go help the girl. Say because that humiliation wey they give the girl, it was too much. And una hear wetin the girl talk, how they take beat her, how they take carry piece, they pour for her body. The three of them, the piece, they pour her for her body. They do so many things. They naked her, they shook her for her, make us do everything. So the girl say no fit stay that Nigeria again. Say he need help. I beg. Anybody wey know the girl contact, Mona said that to Bush Lion. I go see put the video, Mona listen when in they use the mat, they talk am by itself. Thank you, my darling. For abeg, and Mona help me share the video too, so that make it go viral. Thank you. Bye.
I want the video to go viral. Today's date is, I think, Monday the 11th. It has come to my attention. I've been following up on the lady who was beaten up by the hoodlums, by cultists in Edo State. And I've been praying and I'm asking God, I'm like, God, how can I really get involved in this case and impact this lady's life? Cultism in Edo State has caused a lot of pains and a lot of Ivabola would be a Benwaderu Steve. We're talking about something serious here. You are mentioning head. A lot of families have gone through pains, and with the case of this lady, I decided I'm going to take it upon myself to help this lady financially. Whatever it is, whichever way I can help. I'm not, I want the family of this lady or whoever knows this lady, I don't even know her name or whatever. Please, I want you all to send me her information, and I'm willing to spend up to $2 million to help this lady relocate from Nigeria. This is a case of bullying. 2 million naira, sorry, not dollars, 2 million naira. This is a case of bullying, and no one deserves to be humiliated in that manner. It's sad that our government have not been able to tackle the issue of cultism in Edo State. Violence is violence. I'm a member of a fraternity. Sorry, I got my hand hurt at work the other day. I'm a member of one of the largest fraternal group of men in the world. My fraternity has helped me to grow my business. It has helped me to be a noble man. For those of you who know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. You know, a fraternity I'm a third degree member. And my fraternity does not teach us to be violent. As a matter of fact, if you are violent, you cannot be a member of such fraternity. A fraternity in Edo State has now become, I mean, when we were growing up, you know, when we were young, you know, it was the university students, the college students that were members of fraternity. But now, both taxi driver, conductor, agbero, wheelbarrow pusher, everybody is now a part of the fraternity. What is going on? What is going on exactly? So I'm going to make this very short. I'm not going to spend so much time here. I'm on break. I came briefly home to take care of some things. I'm going to be returning back to work. So please, if you have that lady's information, send me her information in my email address. Or in my inbox. Like I said, I'm willing to invest enormously in that lady's life. I'm going to change her life by God's grace, by the grace of God. So if somebody has her information, okay, anyone who has her information, just forward it to me. Whichever way I can help her, even file for her to relocate to the United States. Okay, this is a clear case of her life is in danger. She has been beaten, and we don't want the case to get worse than this. So I want to invest. For some reason, I don't know why, I feel led by the Spirit of God to invest in this lady's life. So like I said, I'm willing to invest at least 2 million naira on this lady. If it requires bringing her to the United States, I can go through my fraternity, and we can, my fraternity can file for her. The videos are there. We have all the evidence necessary to relocate this lady from Nigeria to the United States. I have the resources by the grace of God, and like I said, I'm led by the Spirit. So please, whoever sees this video, share it to her family, and I'm willing to help.